Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be designing a fighter jet completely from scratch. Today I'll be focusing on the fighter jet's wings and its stealth, speed, and maneuverability. Currently, some of the best fighter jets that have been designed already are the F-22, the F-35, and the F-47. I will be studying these three planes and seeing what features they currently have and trying to improve on them by enhancing their speed, stealth, and maneuverability. And while that might seem difficult, I'm going to split it up into many different parts, focusing on one part of the aircraft at a time. For this video, I'll be focusing on the wings. Wings are one of the most important parts of the plane, and it's what keeps it up in the air. Let's take a look at some of these planes I mentioned and see what wings they have. The F-35's wing is in an airfoil shape, which is almost symmetrical but has a slightly cambered shape. This helps with subsonic and supersonic speeds. The F-22 has a slightly more cambered shape, and this also will help with subsonic and supersonic speeds. A fun fact is that the F-22 can fly up to Mach 2.25 and the F-35 can fly up to Mach 1.6. Additionally, the shape of the F-47's airfoil has not been revealed yet, but we can assume it might be similar to these of the F-35 and the F-22. I decided to go with a almost symmetrical airfoil shape similar to the F-35. However, the airfoil shape is not the only way to increase speed and stealth in a plane's wings. This is carbon fiber, a strong material, but also a radio-absorbent material, or RAM. These materials can absorb radar waves, so they won't bounce back to the antenna and locate a plane. RAM materials work by absorbing radio waves and transferring them into heat energy. Alright, time to get to designing. Here I have a basic model of the wing I've designed. This wing uses an airfoil shape and uses a metal rod running down the back end of the wing to move the flaps to go up or down. Many planes right now have a polymer coating to help stealth. The problem with this, though, is it's very prone to damage, as scratching it with sand or rain can even damage it. The solution that I've come up with is I'm using a double layer of erbium zinconate and gadolinium zirconate. These are harder ceramics that can survive hotter temperatures, so the heat from the engine won't just melt the entire stuff. They also work just as well as the other polymers currently used on some planes. Now I know all of this might be getting boring to you, so let's go build a model out of cardboard. So here are the finished wings. I think they look pretty good. I plan to make these, let's say, cardboard replicas per every thing I design, and at the end I'll be able to glue it all together and see what my plane would actually look like. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope you have a great day.